sir, please. I need help.
Hey, pretty lady, are you okay? You want me to call the police or the ambulance? Get some help?
No, mister, you should not. Don't call the ambulance, not the police.
Okay.
I'm not sick, I'm just drunk and weak.
Okay, you don't want me to call the police or the ambulance. How can I help you otherwise?
Please, can I trust you?
Of course you can still trust me. I stopped, didn't I?
I need a place to lay my head. Do you have a place?
Of course I have a place.
Please, can I spend some time at your place? I'm drunk, tired and weak. I came from a shower to party in Toronto. And I will crash if I try to drive again.
Okay, you know, first of all, what's your name?
Oh?
What's your name?
My name is Cassandra.
Cassandra, don't you have a friend or a relative that you can call to come pick you up?
Oh?
Don't you have a friend or a relative you can call to come get you?
I will crash if I try to drive again.
Okay, listen. Don't you have a relative or a friend you can call to pick you up?
No.
Do you have a friend, someone you know that can pick you up? Okay, I'll take you home with me. Under one condition. Promise me you're not trying to set me up. You're not here to set me up.
No. It's not set up. You can record our conversation with your phone. Please be the good Samaritan.
Okay, you know what? Okay, I'll take you home with me. Let me call a cab.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can drive, but I don't have my license with me. We can leave your vehicle here and come in the morning and pick it up when you feel a lot better.
Yeah. That sounds better.
Let me call the cab. Hi, good evening. Yeah, can I have a taxi at 47 Fox Run, please? 47 Fox Run. Okay. Okay, thanks. Taxi run, they're on their way. Shouldn't be long. Oh, let's see. Here's your phone here. Let me grab it for you. The cab shouldn't be too long. Okay, I think here he comes now. You see, you're pretty lucky that was quick, huh? Alright, come on. Hey, here comes the cab now. That wasn't too bad. Alright, come here. Here we go. This way. Man, I hope I'm making the right decision tonight.
Stumbling out of bars, I follow you through the dark. Getting up, you're the medicine and the pain. The tattoo inside my brain, and maybe you know it's obvious. I'm a boy, say the word and you'll go anywhere blindly. I'm a sucker for you. Anyone to take you out that you will find me. I'm a sucker for you.
Easy. Hold on, let me grab some lights. Hold on. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna put you over here, okay? Alright, let's go. Easy does it, baby. Alright. Okay. Hey, good morning, Phil.
Good morning, how you doing?
Hey, not too bad, man. Thanks for early in the morning, you know?
I understand, I'm sorry to bother you this early.
Yeah.
Mailman delivered this to me. I'm afraid this is an eviction notice. I have to give this to you.
Are you serious, man?
I'm sorry, I have to give this to you.
Come on, we can work this out. Come on.
We had an agreement. You're supposed to pay $300 a week. You've defaulted many times.
Listen, man, times are hard right now, man. At
Hey,
least
I get it. I got bills to pay. I have some issues too that I'm dealing with.
things are hard and 11 days is just too short, man. I need more time. Phil, man, come on.
I'm afraid I can't wait any longer.
Come on, 11 days to get me out of here?
I have to give that to you.
Come on, listen, man, I need more time. 11 days is just too short, man. Come on, man.
I'm afraid I can't wait. I have issues. I have bills that I have to pay. I have kids that need to go to school.
But you've always been good with me, man. Come on, man, give me some more time. What is 11 days? Phil?
Defaulted too many times. It's just, we had an agreement and you've defaulted too many times.
This is not like you, man. Look how long I've been here. Phil, come on, man. Give me a chance again, man. 11 days is short for me to get out of here.
That's it. That's all I can give you.
Come on, man. Things are rough now, man. I need more time. 11 days is not enough. Come on, Phil,
I
man.
understand, but I have my issues too. I have bills. I have kids that need things.
But we can work this out, Phil, man. We always work this out, man.
You defaulted 1, 2, 3 times. It's just happened too much.
Things are hard, man. You're better than this, man. You treat me better than this all the time, man.
It's hard for me to do, but it's business.
Phil, man, 11 days is just too short, man. Give me some more time,
I'm
Phil.
really sorry. I will see you another time. Keep in mind that if you're not out 11 days, the sheriff will be here to
Come on, Phil, man. You've always been good to me, man.
That's the way it is.
Shit.
I'm so sorry.
Oh, man, Phil, man. Thanks, man. Anyways, for nothing.
Okay, good morning.
Hey, good morning, Cassandra. How are you? I hope you slept well.
I'm good, and I slept very well, thank you. I feel much better than I was last night. Thanks for your hospitality.
You're welcome, Cassandra.
You're too kind. Sir, I have to go pick up my car and go home from there. How will I get there?
You're leaving already so early?
Actually, I don't even know where I am. Isn't it shameful to say so?
Listen, no you're not. You're acting like you're the first person to ever get drunk in this world. By the way, why are you leaving so early? Can I get you some breakfast, tea,
No,
coffee,
sir,
something?
No, thank you. You've done more than a lot. In fact, I have to catch up an appointment with a client at 11:45 a.m. Before I forgot, what's your name? It's hard to come across kind people like you every day. Keep it up.
But I told you my name last night.
You did? Oh my God. I can't even remember. I was knocked out last night. Please forgive me. Tell me again and I won't forget this time.
I'll tell you when I see you again. If I see you again. How was that?
Okay, if you say so. Do you have a paper?
Yeah, I do.
Thank you. A pen as well.
I can find that.
Thank you. This is my phone number. Feel free to call me whenever you want. I want us to meet again.
Well, I hope so. But I want us to meet again too. Okay, this is my number. Here you go. Call me anytime you want, Cassandra.
It's for you. Oh, that was my ringtone.
Got your phone here for you. I took it while you were drunk last night. Here you go.
Thank you. Okay. I will definitely give you a shout someday.
I am looking forward to it.
Until then, Mr. Stranger.
I'm happy that you enjoyed my hospitality.
Okay, have a beautiful day.
All right.
Oops.
Be safe, eh?
Thank you, bye.
All right.
What you tell when you are buying you, be more careful who you can find in them. And anybody pour my drink, and anybody buy my dinner. So all you just say, enemy, all you just afraid. You suffer, me not like me love the family, but me not just see what I did. Oh, what a right way, what you tell when you are buying you, be more careful who you can.
I'm gonna pick it up by your girl.
What you tell when you are buying you, be more careful who you can find in them. I know it.
Why don't answer it to your girl?
I'm a girl, of course. I'm done. I'm now one leg down. Yeah, I'm like a small link car.
And you be more careful who you can find in them.
Hello?
Hey, Kofi, what's going on? Well, to tell the truth, it's not all good and it's not all fine, man. I'm in a little problem. I got locked out of my apartment this afternoon. Come on, Kofi, man. You of all person know that I'm not in the game no more. The sheriff came this afternoon and put a lock on my door. They changed the lock, pasted the eviction notice, and now I can't get in. I need your help, man. Can I see your place for a little while until I get a place? Just for a little while, man.
No, I can't still in a brother. No, because you are going to. I know some my sister come over from the States and they have spent some time down. She and her people, them some really now, really having space right now.
Really? She's there now? In New York?
You know the thing already, you know what I mean? The space have a bit of issue, so. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I know the settings still, brother. But, sure you don't know, you see me? The family setting, you can't do. You get me? I'll come like me up impose, and our family don't want to spend some family time, so. Yeah, man, so you are going. You can't catch up or come up on the black man, dog. I have a little drink right about now. And I'm a little sis junior, so. Anytime I'm free up and thing, I'm here to watch the black man short, you know.
Okay, I'll give him a call. Yeah, I still have his number. I'll call him. Thanks, man.
There you go. Lying again as usual.
These people think they're friends.
There you go again. Always lying. Telling those lies. You haven't changed a bit. Did I understand correct about this? Don's back in town? Is that correct?
Yeah, man, I just come out of jail, man. But you don't know it already. You want something for space. You can't do have him on right now. You know the street thing already. I'm gonna have some heat on him right now. I can't take that. You get me? Especially knowing say boy I'm just a come off at such time. But that man I pray I can't do have him on right now and it's safe for me, you know.
Kofi, I hear you, but this is Don. For your big friend Don, was being there for you, you're being there for him, you loved him. So the street thing set.
Yeah, but you not get what me I said. Remember I said Dan just come out of jail. You understand? And you say, remember say me outside and I don't know what he really did that do, you know. Can't take on the heat from right now. Can't take on the heat the car. And I really like, remember say me still have my little things that I have to deal with. I can't make true feel things because my things them for mash up. You get what I say? If I saw you feel about it, still probably, you know?
I don't know what you're saying, but I don't think it's fair because I know that long time.
You want him to come at your place? That me ask you. You want him to come at your place?
I'm not saying yes, but I mean, we can't leave him out there.
Yeah, man, so man. Come, my fault for me. I want to look over have a drink. But everyone me if you argue over this. Because that situation that we done. And that's true. At this point in time, you don't really know what's going on with him, man.
Kofi, I hear you. But I want you to hear me. Because Don is like a family to us. He's been with us through thick and thin. And as you know, a friend in need is a friend indeed. And he needs us now.
Yeah, but you know, I get what I'm saying. I can't manage that right now. Imagine I can't manage that right now. Remember, say me have my thing them for dealing, you know. Remember, me have my thing them for dealing. And then, should I didn't know, because he know the streets run. Him should I didn't know, say, when I work season, you can't go outside like this in the summertime. You understand? When you know, so boy, a winter work season, you can't do that. You understand? And with my wife, you understand, so at the end of the day, every man know where them, the thing there, and where them feel. You see me? So you see, because me know better, me I go about that. You see me? No, but like I said, me there all a lot of vibes and it's like, then the wish party they have blocked me but
I feel disgusted. I really thought that you were better than this. After all this time, this is what it comes to. You're in the game and you can't put him up. No, let me finish. I don't approve of this, honestly. I don't approve of this. I'm really disgusted of you. And
remember I said, at the end of the day, we don't know what I'm going with that anymore. So we have to make sure so with me I deal with. Not have no farmer. I look at eyes and watch it because of him. So, you have to go to Samaritan. You have someone.
really.
Put them up over here, please.
So because I have a house, it's okay. He must come to me. Alright. Alright. Give him my number. Tell him to call me.
How I do that, man?
If it's even the couch he has to stay on, that's where he's going to stay.
How I do that? I give you my number. Yes, sir.
Because he can't stay on the road. He can't stay on the road.
Yeah, man. No argument there. No argument there.
I was able to join this weekend. It's just exciting to be able to the game and exciting to be here and hopefully I'll be in better shape for Paris in 3 years.
No harm in trying cold.
Hello, Mr. Stranger.
Hey, Cassandra. It's Dan.
How are you doing? You finally say your name. I'm not sure if I will be able to recollect your face. I'm just kidding. So, what's up, stranger? How are you doing?
Got a problem at the moment. Just hoping, you can be some help.
What's the problem? Tell me. Maybe I can help.
Do you live alone? Do you have your own place?
Yes, I do. Why are you asking?
I need a place to stay. Yeah, I've been evicted from my apartment. The sheriff came and changed the lock and put an eviction notice on my door. Now I can't get in.
Oh, that's bad. I'm so sorry about that. So, you need a place to stay for a while? That's not a problem. I have a house and I live alone as well. We can share until you get a new place.
Okay. Good. Thank you. Well, I really appreciate that.
It's okay. Where are you right now? That's fine. It will take you like 45 minutes to get here with Uber. Yeah, I'm gonna text you the address. Okay, see you.
Hey Cassandra, how are you?
Hi stranger, how are you doing?
Wow, I'm good. Thank you for asking.
Welcome to my home.
Wow, this is beautiful.
Thank you.
Very nice.
Thank you. Come with me. I have to show you around.
Okay. Wow, this is a palace. Cassandra.
Really?
Wow. Wow.
Here's the living room.
Wow, what a beautiful view.
Yeah.
Nice and bright.
It is. Come on.
Yeah, wow. Nice.
Here is the guest room.
Wow, very nice.
You will be staying here.
Wow, thank you.
Yeah, at the backyard you have a swimming pool where you can dive in and cool off when the weather becomes too hot.
Very nice.
Here is a piano. You play music?
Well, when I was younger, I used to dabble in music actually.
Okay.
Wow, very
It's
nice.
beautiful house.
Hey, good evening. Hey, how are you?
I'm good. It's a nice evening, right?
Oh, beautiful. Beautiful wind by the poolside. You just cannot go wrong.
I got some cookies.
Oh, beautiful, thanks. Wow, it tastes very, very good. You're not only beautiful, but you're also a good cook. I
Thank
guess you're full with the package.
Thank you. You like it?
I love it. I don't only like it, I love it.
I'm glad you do. Dan,
Yes, Cassandra.
tell me a little about you.
Do you really want to know about me? Maybe I'll make you change your mind about keeping me in your apartment.
It won't. It won't. But if I may ask, are you a killer? Did you kill someone? Or Are you hiding from the police?
Well, no, I'm not a killer, and I'm not hiding from the police. But there's things about me that maybe you don't want to know about, maybe you don't want to hear about.
No. Tell me. I'm all ears. I would love to hear. My father always says that love is kindness. And he told me once when I was preaching that love is giving people the opportunity to hurt you, and at the same time trusting them not to do so. That's what my father's definition of love.
Yeah, Sandra.
Your act the night I was drunk was the confirmation that my father was right. You showed me kindness, and that's what the world lacks. Kind people are very few. I mean, kindness without expectation or payback in return of this favor. I believe keeping you here for a while will not hurt any of us.
Well, Cassandra, anyways, I'm gonna start by reintroducing myself. My name is Daniel Lewis Daniels, and my mother is a Nigerian woman and my father is a Jamaican man. My mother is a biologist and my father is a professional hacker, internet hacker.
An internet hacker?
Not proud of it. I mean, I spent 8 years ago in prison, arrested, persecuted, sentenced, you know, for internet hacking, over 100, you know, over $90 million. You know, I was in Antigua, and I was, released 7 months ago.
Oh, and how do you survive now?
Well, basically, that is how I survive. It's kind of hard for me on the road because having a criminal record, you know, you can't find jobs here and there or anywhere with that record. So I've got to do what I've got to do to survive. Right now, I've got a bathroom business. Well, a cleaning business. I clean bathrooms, you know, for a living. Of course, it's a shameful thing to say. Who wants to say, oh, I clean bathrooms for a living?
No.
Nobody wants to say that, but it is what it is.
When you start, you don't stop talking. You keep talking. I haven't heard of that bathroom business. Tell me about it.
Yes, a bathroom business, cleaning business. See, it wasn't always like that, you know. I mean, cleaning people's mess for a living in a bar, you know, in a club. It was never like that. I mean, all my friends kind of gypped me and took off because, you know, I was a kind guy, nice to everyone, but everyone took advantage of me. So right now it's my time to get myself to change, get myself to life, back to life, to be a new person, to get my groove back.
How much does it pay? I mean, how much do you make a night?
Well, it doesn't even pay minimum wage, but I survive on tips. I get paid tips.
Wow.
It's nothing to be proud of, but
Tips. At least it's better than nothing.
Well, that's why I'm doing it. I mean, my friends and family look at me like I'm a plague. My family itself, they feel that I'm dragging the family names through, you know, through the mud. I mean, how can they think something like that?
Yeah, they don't understand that you want to go back in a good life.
Well, in this situation, I understand that, you know, freedom and poverty is an absolute bondage, and I'm feeling it. I've been going through that bondage stages.
No, don't think so. Because in my own eyes, I see a kind-hearted gentleman. In my front, I see a brave good man. It takes bravery to take up such a job after you've gone all the good times life. I don't really know you yet, but I'm proud of you.
Are you trying to rebuild my confidence? I mean, a brave man, yes, but a gentleman, I'm not sure. I mean, a gentleman at the end of the month, they know they're responsible and they pay them. Me, I did not pay my bills, and this is why I got this.
Oh, what is that?
It's an eviction notice.
Oh.
I did not find myself responsible enough to pay my bills, and that's what I received. What is it?
Do you have any relatives, any siblings in case if something were to happen?
Well, I have my mother and 3 brothers and 2 sisters. However, we don't get along. I told you that they thought I was dragging a family name through the mud.
Oh yeah, you told me, my bad. You told me that you have a family member. Yes. I remember. Do they live here in Toronto?
Well, we all are here, except for my eldest sister. She's in Atlanta, Georgia. But the rest that are here, we don't get along well. I mean, I love them, but they don't love me.
No, don't think like that.
Well, maybe. Based on their action, they give me no choice other than to think like
You know,
that.
it happens in all kind of families, not only you.
That night, why did you get so drunk anyways?
Nothing. I just love drinking. It was weekend and I went out to have some drinks. And it turned out I got drunk.
Do you get drunk every weekend?
No! What do you take me for? I just love drinking. But I don't drink every weekend on a point to a stupor.
Oh.
Yeah.
That night when you got drunk, why didn't you call your boyfriend or a friend to come and pick him and take you home?
Okay. To your second question, I'm gonna reply with questions. Do you think if I had a boyfriend, I would have invited you to stay with me in my house? Do you think if I had a boyfriend, I would have asked you to take me home that night? I think these questions are the answers to your question.
Fair enough.
And you are Muslim, I guess. I mean, your name sounds like a Muslim name. In my country, in Africa, we read of a jihadist called Dendoki.
Are you serious?
Yeah, it does.
I mean, really?
Yeah.
Listen, that's John Gaki. I am Don Dorky.
Oh.
And listen, I am not a Christian.
Okay.
I am not a Muslim. I just believe in humanity.
Oh.
And my name, Don Dorky, is a street name.
Oh.
And it derives from my name, Daniel.
Okay.
And actually, the proper pronunciation of that is Don Dorky.
Oh, okay. What? Dan?
Dan Dorky.
Dan Dorky. Which dog? My dog. So you have a donkey.
Listen, that was then, but I think I'm gonna change my name to Don Door Lock.
You have a good sense of humor. You have a good sense of humor. You're very funny. Regardless of what you've gone through in life, you still have a good sense of humor. I feel like I've known you for long. Anyway, I didn't call any of my friends to come and take me home that night. You know, I'm from a renowned political dynasty in my country, Cameroon, in Africa. And I don't want to be on any newspaper page or on the social media. They will help me for sure, but they will still be the one to betray and destroy me. They will be the first to send my drunken picture to my father's political opponents. That's why I decided not to call any of them. And thanks God, He brought you on my way that very moment.
Okay, see, that makes more sense. I was wondering about that. Now I see, okay.
Okay, I have to go grab something from the store. I'll be right back.
You don't want me to come along with you?
No, it's getting dark and I have to run.
Alright.
Okay, run. For your business, I got you napkins, soap, gum, mouthwash, and other stuff.
Cassandra, thank you so very much. But sincerely, you shouldn't have gone that far, Cassandra. I mean, what I did for you the night you were drunk was based on the love of humanity, not for gain, to exploit or even expect payback. The thank you said the morning when you woke up was enough. Now, having me stay at your place, at your home, is actually more than enough.
It's okay. I insist.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Come on, let's go.
Another right. Natural wow. Natural thing. Yeah. Alright, next back. Last guy. First.
Good evening,
my king,
Yes, I'm greeting.
my Lord and myself. Bless up, bless up, bless up.
Bless up, man. Put it together, you know?
How is that and I'm pleasure for the only I present still, you know?
That's the plan, right? Yes, king. What do you can I get with you, my lord?
So my king, the eye is looking for something to cleanse, some natural thing to cleanse the organs and the liver and the cleanse the body, man.
Hold on, king. Something to get
Yes, my king. Well, there I look for some natural herbs to cleanse the body, you know, to cleanse the organ and the kidney and the liver.
Yes, my king. Yes, and I can hear you because I have a natural cleansing there, you know? Natural herbs there.
Yes.
Natural medicine.
Yes.
That come from my and I ancestors, you know?
Yes, king.
They come from the natural hormone. They turn into oxygen that comes through the plants and comes through the herb. It is natural healing stuff, you know? These are the right, these are the right one.
Okay.
Like this one now, you know that the colon cleanser.
Also does the colon.
Cleanser that clean all the natural organ, clean out your artery. It does all the toxic and all those things that you will turn into mucus, that turn into all kind of a disease. This is the main one that helps, you know?
Wow, so this is basically what I need then, that cleans everything.
Yes. That is a all around cleaner. Colon cleaner. You know the colon them, all the organ, your artery, your organs, the kidney, your lungs, your heart, the blood system, you know? Every little thing helps along this. Those are the health cleaners.
Yes, my king, this is what I was looking for.
So
For the goodies.
for the goodies.
Yeah.
That's your goodies in all farm, you know?
Yes.
Detox you. In all farm.
Wow.
Call it the colon cleanser. Balance your CD.
Just to be a part of the season. Sometimes they're walking you all night. But you let out like the blood of God. Freedom of heart and soul. I'm crying freedom of heart and soul. So they can't see the live right. They love the life they're living. Just fighting and always fighting. People are fighting. Fighting one another. Maybe fight for selfish reasons. Just to be a part of the season.
Dan Borky. Dan Borky. Dan Borky. Dan Borky. Dan Borky. Dan Borky, the son of Ike.
Holy cow. I don't believe this. I don't know, you won't believe it. I don't know how to tell you. I don't know how to tell you. Cassandra, a photo spoke to me. I know you're not gonna, I knew you would not believe it. A photo.
Well, further noise.
Cassandra, I walked into the shop and photo spoke to me. You see, I told you you're not gonna believe me. It's not funny. A photo actually spoke to me, Cassandra. I am not
Dad, calm down.
me.
Probably anxiety.
You know what? That's why I didn't want to say anything. I tried to keep it in. But something told me I have to say something. I'm telling you, laugh at me.
You see? You see what I mean?
But
I know you don't do it.
You must believe me, Cassandra.
You need a rest. You need to have a rest.
Cassandra, I slept all. This is real.
Try to have a good sleep.
Cassandra, believe
Try
me.
to have a good sleep.
Do I have to see, man? Oh my God! I totally wish you were there to see for yourself. Oh my God! This young Cassandra's laughing at me. No, she thinks I'm crazy. God, who's this?
How are you? So glad to see you.
Sarah the cat.
I'm so sorry.
It's been a minute.
So sorry I didn't come to visit you in prison. The street is not the same without you. Some went to jail, some got deported to the country. I flew to Jamaica and boss, but who is she?
Oh, sorry, my bad. She's my very good friend, Cassandra. I mean, she's been there for me like a God-sent angel, while everyone else that I knew that I did good for kind of did wrong to me, jettison me and left. So I got to thank God for this young lady. Had it not been for her. This is Sarah. Sarah was my confidant when I was in the game. But of course, when the sea got rough and the tides got high, she scrapped, she was gone, which I don't blame her, right?
See, you still have a sense of humor.
Thank you, Ann.
That's why you are the best drug lord in the street. Where do you live? What's going on?
Not anymore.
Where do you live? What's going on? I think we should reconnect, we should reunite. There are many fishes in the seas still there.
Well, you know what, Sarah, the truth is, I've actually burned my fishing net. It's not like that anymore. I mean, 7 years is not like 7 months. I mean, I think we should remain friends and allies. I always loved your company, loved you being my confidant, but it ain't like that anymore.
Boss, but why?
Well, I learned a lot, positive and negative, from my situation, and I just don't want to go that way anymore. So it's not going to be like that. So we can remain friends or even allies, but it is what it is. Just like the Bible says, I mean, for every season there's a time. There's a time, there's a season, and right, the time is gone, and so is the season as well. And right now, as for where I live, I've told you that the government already confiscated all my homes and my apartment, and right now I'm kind of just hooking up with Cassandra, staying up by Cassandra's
I can see
place.
She's your street mate, boss?
Well, no, she's not my street mate. She's just a good friend that's been there for me when I was in need. She's like a God angel sent, and I'm in need. And that's all it is.
Boss, how about your income? You need money?
Okay,
Look at the way you dress. That's why we have to get back our team together.
You see, this cannot happen again. I'm all the way tapped out of the game. I'm not in the game no more. I mean, even if it was to happen, I mean, not like people like Ricardo or Kofi, my so-called friends.
But boss, why?
Well, Sarah, it's a really long story. I'm gonna have to tell you next time, because right now Cassandra gotta get back to work and she's gotta go to the office, and my break time is almost up.
Boss, you mean break time?
Of course I mean break time. I already told you that I'm working in a bar, clean bar for a living right now, and I'm on my break.
Boss, you can't do this. This is not you. Working in a bar as a cleaner, you are better than this, boss.
At least it's better than nothing.
Yeah, because you don't know him. When you know this guy, you know what I'm talking about. He has his own cartel. He's a lion. He's a lion. Remember, boss, as you always say, lion cubs don't feed on grass.
You have your cartel waiting for you. Without you, there's no cartel.
Who said I don't have a choice? I do have a choice. In fact, I do have a choice, and I've made my choice. And my choice is to be able to do this cleaning job that I'm doing, because it pays the bill. In fact, I'd rather be doing something positive than doing something negative. It pays the bill.
Boss, like I said, this kind of job is not for you. Like you forgot who you was. You have a lot of things waiting for you to do.
Anyways, let me have your number, and I'll give you a call and we can talk about it. But regardless, it was very nice to see you.
Anyway, boss, glad to see you alive. And glad to see you. And Cassandra, thank you very much for taking care of my boss. I'm happy to see you. Thank you very much.
Nice to see you.
Call me if you need anything, okay?
Yeah, well, no problem. Thank you. Nice to see you.
Oh, boss. No need boss. Take good care of yourself, boss. So you a boss.
Can you believe what she just did?
What?
You wouldn't know. She just gave me $2,000.
What?
$2,000 she just gave me.
You're kidding me.
No, I'm not kidding.
1,000, just like that?
Yes.
Wow.
She's not like Kofi and Ricardo and those guys that turn their back. She was always there for me.
Well, she sounds like a very good woman, but she's very hyper.
Well, she is good. She is a good woman.
I have a question. She referred me as a street mate. What does that mean?
Oh, okay. The terminology of a street mate is a wife or a girlfriend of a cartel. And that's basically what that means.
Is that drug cartel?
No, it's not.
Okay, I was like...
It's just a cartel.
Okay, I was...
Yes, my king, the Lord and thyself, bless up, greetings. What I want to show you is that natural herbs cleansing that you gave me. It works, my friend. I feel so much better. My energy level is up.
Different.
It's different.
Yeah, man.
My gosh, that works, my friend.
Well, you know, we give thanks to our ancestors, you know.
Our ancestors.
Yeah, they are the one who provide all these things for us, as I was saying.
Yes.
And we give thanks to Dr. Sebi.
Dr. Sebi.
Yeah, he was the one who taught us a lot about healing of natural herbs.
Okay. Yeah, this is Dr. Sebi. He teaches us that our body is electrical and we need to eat electrical food, and that's plants.
Naturally.
That's the same Dr. Sebi.
Yes, man. He's a real healer. He's a real father of the healing.
That really, he's a man.
Yes.
This really works.
Yeah.
So much more energy. Even my sight looks better.
Yeah. You know, give thanks to the natural.
It was blurry, and now I can see clearly.
Yes, man.
Wow, that really works,
so,
man.
Natural. Everything is natural. Nature. Nature is the raw science.
Wow.
So Dr. Sebi teaches us about.
Yes.
So you have to give thanks to this man.
I need more of his products, man.
Yeah.
Garvey, you've got that one.
Oh, yes.
Oh, let me see that.
Up in that Marcus Garvey.
Wow.
It's a wonderful book.
Oh my God, Marcus Garvey, Prophet Marcus Garvey, from St. Anne's Bay.
Yes.
The same place where Bob Marley is from.
Yes.
The Garden Parish of the Earth.
St. Anne's.
St. Anne's Bay,
yes.
man.
Burns may come from St. Anne's though, you know?
Yes, Burning Spears.
Yes, he's from St. Anne's though, you know?
Wow.
My father is from St. Anne's though, you know?
So this is a great flags here, man. The world needs to see this.
Yes, kid. Yes, kid.
Wow.
The descendant of DK Anthony Danton Biomass This is your destiny, God. By the mass, take the message in India, in the hills of Tokyo. He will do more to you. That your sufferings and misfortunes are tied to this mass. That time has come to break the curse. Dando by the mask, dando. Take the mask to the Indian of Tokyo, and he will do more to you.
Hey, my friend, my king, my lord, and myself.
Yes.
This photo, this frame, this mask, is it for sale?
No, not really.
Okay.
But it's very expensive.
Okay.
And if you want to buy it,
yeah,
you know, costs a lot.
So my friend, how much is it?
Yeah, this mask?
Yeah.
Value about $3,000.
That's expensive, man.
Yes, but it's one of a kind.
Oh.
It's very rare stuff.
That's the only one.
It's the only one.
I need to have that, man. It's kind of expensive, though.
Well, it's very rare. You don't find this all over the place. You shoot from Mama Africa. Don't find anywhere because these are specific masks.
I need to have that. You take a deposit? Can I put a deposit on it?
Sure, if you want to pay the price.
Okay, yeah, man. I need to have that. Here's $100 deposit. I'll come back in a couple of weeks and pick it up.
Sure, I just get some information from you, your name and so on, and I write it down. So
all right.
Everything.
Wow.
So you want to take a look at it?
Yeah. This is absolutely amazing. Very communicative. Keep it for me. I'll be back for it. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. Until that time again, my friend. Mess up yourself.
Let me bridge you. Safe travel and guidance and protection on your journey. Until such I want.
Likewise,
I. And impress me in Mother and Father of variation.
Ever live it, ever faithful, ever blessed.
Yes,